Hello and welcome. Man and Mother Nature has always had a very unique and undescribable relationship, and biology is the task of defining this undefinable. The food we eat, the life we live, the feelings we feel, the emotions we express, the history which we create, and the progenies we produce. And all of that has direct link with the study of biology. Since the creation of time and man, we have always improved our way of living, the way we think, the way we grow. And biology has always helped us in improving and moving forward in our life. But in the modern tech-savvy world, all we know about biology comes from the books we read. And boy, they are boring. Especially if you have learned biology in an environment of school. But here in my YouTube channel, I will help you discover that sneaky little biologist in you. Well, if you're preparing for NEET or MCAT, or you have exams coming up soon, or you are already in a graduate level of biology but you want to strengthen your basic knowledge, you are at a very right place. Here at my YouTube channel, I will help you through all of this. Stick around and let's create history. Thank you so much.